What is up, y'all? Welcome back. It is Thursday. It is FOMC day. 2 p.m. New York time. There could be another rate cut. But that does not affect us because we don't trade 2 p.m. New York time. We trade in the open. So we've had unemployment claims come out. Pre-market, it didn't do much. Just a clean, quick move down is all that it caused right here. Clean, quick move down, which is what we'd like to see. So on NQ, we are very much still bullish from the election results. All-time highs are right there. The only thing in between all-time highs and where we are now are these 4-hour highs right here. And then we're straight to all-time highs. And on the 1 hour, it's literally just this and then all-time highs. So that's all that we've got to the upside to work with. And if it's anything like yesterday, we might just completely rip through and get a tiny reaction off these highs. But we'll see. To the downside, there is these 4-hour lows right here. And if this candle closes at 10 a.m., and these will be 4-hour lows as well, but it's not closed yet. And just 4-hour lows down here. There is a 4-hour imbalance, but I'm not marking it on. On the 1 hour, after the 4-hour lows, got several low resistance 1-hour lows, boom, boom, and boom, along with a 1-hour imbalance. And again, this candle hasn't closed yet, so you cannot say this is an imbalance. Then on the 15-minute, just two sets of 15-minute lows within the 1-hour imbalance. Anyway, ES is at all-time highs. It's just been chugging on up there. As I said yesterday, we're nearly at that 6K, which could be an important level. Nice round number. On the 4-hour, there is 4-hour lows and 4-hour lows right there. And then on the 1 hour, several low resistance 1-hour lows, boom, 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 boom. And they are 15-minute lows right there. That is it. Nothing to the upside on ES. I will be probably avoiding ES. NQ longs is favoured again today, but I'm happy to stay out. If one goes and takes out high time frame highs and one takes out high time frame lows, I'm stepping back. Learned that from yesterday. And that being said, that is all I'm looking at pre-market. I will catch you guys in a second. This shit, man. This makes me want to quit so hard. This makes me want to just quit. But I cannot. I can't have emotion. Can't have emotion. But this is very painful. Very painful indeed. And there's nothing I can do. No, there's nothing I can do. I just gotta take it. So let's jump right into the trade recap. We lost $260 on this trade, 0.52%. The account balance is down to $339. It has not been a good week, ladies and gentlemen. I am thinking of having tomorrow off. I'm thinking of having a week off, to be honest. I'm thinking of genuinely having a week off. I probably won't, but I'm thinking of having a week off where I just don't give a shit what price is doing for the whole week. Because, and then it will give it time to fully calm down after the elections. Part of me is really regretting not taking those trades leading up to elections on Monday and Tuesday this week. Part of me is really regretting that. Yeah, let's jump right in. So market opened, insane legs up, took out those 4-hour draws on liquidity over there. Didn't give a reaction. Filled out the imbalance as well on the far left. And then we had a 5-minute move down and a 1-minute break of structure at the same time as ES. And then no final confluence to give us a short, so I just waited still. Get rid of all of this, all of this. And then we kept pushing up. We had another 5-minute candle close down right there, as you can see. And then we didn't get moves off of that. ES, I didn't give a shit what ES was doing today. How are you making 2 consecutive 5-minute dojis in a row? Price action was a doo-doo. We're above all-time highs. I don't give a shit what ES is doing. But NQ, we had this 5-minute down move, then a 5-minute moves up, very stagnant price action. And then we get a 1-minute breaker structure right here, 1016 ES at the same time, right there. And then we've already had a 5-minute move down and a 5-minute retrace, and then equilibrium from the 1-minute low to the 1-minute high to the 1-minute low. This imbalance and then this order block being this move up. And then, as you can see, price comes into the imbalance, hits equilibrium and the order block. Then this candle closes out of all three, the imbalance, equilibrium, and the order block. So I enter in shorts there. My stop goes at the open of the first of the three candles right there. So 51 ticks, so I was risking 0.5%. And then my TP, I was a bit and ahhing about my TP because realistically it should be at least 5-minute lows, which are there. And in hindsight, well, I should have done that. That was a 1.1 RR trade and I should have been happy with it. Why didn't I do that? There we go. There's our fucking mistake for today, boys and girls. I didn't set my TP at the first 5-minute lows because it's later on into the session. We've already had a pretty big move up. Should have been the 5-minute lows. Right there is 5-minute lows and I didn't take profit there. That's the problem. I put it at the midpoint of this 5-minute imbalance. Wasn't really thinking about that, to be honest. I could have put it at the bottom of that 1-minute imbalance right there, and that would have won. But as you can see, my TP was right there. And, well, we were 2 ticks away. We were 50 cents away from hitting my TP. So I was up like $400, and then, oh, buying volume stopped out. Minus 260. When I tell you this has got on my wick today, you can believe this has got on my wick today. But I haven't revenge traded, I haven't spammed buttons, I haven't lost my shit. So there's a win to be had. If this kind of loss happened in this time of my trading, I would have fucking button spammed that shit. I would have like full ported and lost my funded account. Because I need to protect this account. Because I'm not doing a challenge again. Challenges are horrible. I ain't doing a challenge again. That's just such a waste of time. I'm on the funded account now. I'm keeping this account. That's another $260 down the drain. And the mistake is now clear to me. I honestly forgot about those 5-minute lows right there. That should have been my TP, 1.1 RR. So that is the mistake of the day. I think the trade is still a valid trade. You know, we've had big move up, 5-minute down candle, 5-minute retracements, then 1-minute breaker structure, 1-minute imbalance, 1-minute equilibrium, 1-minute order block, closure out of all three, and then stop in the right place. TP was not in the right place, so that was our mistake. There we go. That's it. That's all I've got. ES was just garbage. I should have looked at ES and realised why would I even want to trade NQ anyway. But here we are. This makes me want to quit so bad. But I cannot quit. I must not quit. I must not let it get to me. I must not have emotion because that shows attachment to the money and that's not good. So I need to just not care. But it's hard to not care when shit like this happens. But I haven't crashed out. I haven't gone emotional tilt. I haven't gone full tilt and spam buttons. So... Ah! Now that is tricky. I should have... Oh. Everyone makes mistakes. This was a brain dead mistake. I was brain dead. I should have had my TP at the first 5-minute lows and I didn't. Brain dead move from me. And that pretty much wraps up the trade recap. I can't think of anything else to say. I'm sure you'll all enjoy seeing me trip out over this. This is my hardest loss. By far, my hardest loss. Seeing it get that close to my TP and then watching it 2 minutes later run all the way back up and stop me out after chopping around for 5-10 minutes anyway. I just can't. That being said, boys and girls, I will catch you guys in the next one. It will likely be tomorrow, where I will not take any trades because I do not want to. I might just take a week off. let price sort itself out before I come back into the market. So that's it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.